In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in Confluence. Whether you're giving quick feedback, asking a question, or keeping a discussion threaded for your team, comments help keep work moving without cluttering the page. First, open Confluence and log into your account. From your dashboard or the Space sidebar, navigate to the page where you want to leave feedback. Taking a moment to land on the right page will make your comment more relevant and easier for teammates to act on. Once the page loads, scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll find a section labeled Comments. This is where all page-level conversations live, so everything stays visible and easy to follow. It's designed to capture the discussion around the content without changing the page itself. Click inside the field that says Write a comment and start typing your message. Keep it focused on the part of the page you're referencing, so others know exactly what you mean. If you want to structure your thoughts, type the / to open the insert menu. From there, you can add quick elements like lists, links, or other handy blocks to make your comment clearer and more actionable. By the way, if you need access to Confluence, I've placed the official website link right at the top of the description so you can get started quickly. When you're ready to share, click the button that says Save or Add, depending on your Confluence version. Your comment will instantly appear underneath the page for teammates to read. If you don't see it, give the page a quick refresh and it should show up in the thread. If you want to keep the conversation organized, reply directly under an existing comment by clicking Reply. Your response will be nested so the context stays intact. And if you spot a typo or want to refine your wording, click the 3 dots next to your own comment and choose Edit. Update your text, then save to apply the changes. A few collaboration tips as you go. Be clear and concise so readers can act quickly. Use mentions with the @ symbol to notify the right people and bring them into the discussion. If your note is time sensitive or blocking work, say so up front to set expectations. For longer threads, start with a one-line summary. Then add details, so teammates can scan and respond efficiently. And keep threads tidy by replying where the conversation started, rather than starting a new comment each time. Thanks for watching.